Hi YouTubers, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. And if you want to learn the 2-cup manifesting technique correctly, you've come to the right video. Today I want to show you the 2-cup method to manifest anything. And listen, I want to explain it to you guys so you guys get it and you get it correctly. So if you want to learn this, stick to this video, watch it all the way to the end, and listen. At the end, I will be giving you guys some extra tips to help your manifestations along. So if you're new to this channel, this is a law of attraction metaphysical channel that brings you that information that you really won't get anywhere else. Why? Because it is explained so that you understand. So don't forget to support this channel by liking, subscribing, and tapping that bell. Now, let's get started. I'm back. Now, what is it that I have to tell you about this 2-cup manifestation technique or the 2-cup method? I did this video before on 1 cup. So if you haven't seen that, you're welcome to go back to it. But the 2-cup method is a powerful technique that I'm going to explain to you and how it works. You guys have to remember, we are here having a physical experience, but do not think this is the only reality. There are many realities for each and every one of us that is occurring at the same time. That's why whatever you do in your life, whatever decisions that you make, there's a possibility of you walking into any of these doors. Because whatever you do, whatever you say, however you feel, is going to lead you in one direction, which can lead you into many different other directions. So this technique involves quantum jumping or dimensional jumping. It involves you going from one state of your reality into another. And it's very powerful, you guys, and it's very easy. Anyone can do it. Now, the first thing that you would need to do this experiment or to do this technique is 2 cups. Now, I do advise you guys to use glass because you can actually see the water transferring into the other cup, okay? So I do recommend that you use glass. Now, the next thing you're going to need 2 pieces of paper, okay? 2 pieces of paper and some tape. Now, other than that, you're going to need some water. And that is all you actually need for this technique. Now, the first thing you're going to do, I want you to understand, the first glass is going to represent your current reality. Your second glass is going to represent what you want to occur, your desired reality, okay? Now, remember you guys, whatever you're doing, whatever kind of manifestation techniques you're using, you really have to concentrate on what's going on or what you desire. So now let's move forward. Now, on the first glass, you're going to put your current reality. On here, based on money, I put I need money now. At this current point, I'm at a state where I just want money right now. So we're going to have that on that glass. That glass is representing my current state of mind, my current frequency or consciousness of thinking I need money. I need money. I'm desperate for money. Now, your second glass is going to be what you want to occur in your reality at this moment. And on here, I put large sums of money flows to me in multiple ways on a continuous basis. Okay? And we're going to put that on this glass right here. So this glass is your current reality, and this glass is what you desire, your desired reality. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to actually focus on this first glass because it is your current reality. You're going to take water, and you're going to pour water in this glass. Okay, remind you now, your body is made up of 60-70% water. So we're going to focus on what this water represents in this glass. This water represents I need money. You're going to allow, this is important, you guys, you're going to allow your feelings to be in this glass. Whatever is going on in your life, you need money. You can't pay your bills. The creditors are coming after you. You put all of that in this glass. You hold it in your hand. You can hold it. You can look at it. I need money. I need money. I need to pay my bills. Whatever it is, you need to put those emotions in this glass because that's where we want it to go. Then, once you focused on that for a little bit, you're then going to pour this water in the other glass. As you pour this water in this glass, you are going to let those emotions go and say to yourself, I transfer that reality into my desired reality. I no longer need money. I am overflowing with money. Money flows to me in all different ways. This is my new reality. This is what I desire. I see myself as being prosperous. I see myself as having all the money that I need in the world. As you hold this glass in your hand, you visualize yourself being, doing, having all that it is that you want to have. You visualize everything working right. So you have actually transformed from where you were to where you want to be. As you sit here and you visualize what it is you want in your life, you're going to do this and hold this glass for about 5 minutes, okay? Visualize, have fun, feel the energy that you would feel if this was true. If you won $50,000 or $20,000 or your bills were all paid off. Please keep it in a perspective, okay? Don't go flowing all out of the world saying, I want to manifest tomorrow $10 million. You know, if you believe it, you go right ahead and you do it. But in this channel right here, I try to give you guys the information that's going to help you. If you're trying to manifest $1 million in 2 minutes, you know in your mind, subconsciously, that you're not going to do it. And it's going to bring back negative results. So try to keep it at a level of where it's possible. If you believe you can do it, then by all means, just go ahead and do it. But the whole purpose is you're taking the emotions from being desperate, pouring it into another glass, and seeing your reality for what you want it to be. Now, after you have done that for about 5 minutes, actually holding this glass, seeing your life for what it is, you're then going to drink the water. Why? Because this water that you have now transformed from this state to this state, you are now putting it in your body and it is now becoming part of you. That is all that there is to quantum jumping, okay? Now, what do you do with these labels? You're going to take this label because it is no longer a reality for you. You're going to rip it up, throw it out, or you can even burn it. Okay? You can burn it. Whatever. Burn this, get rid of it, whatever you want to do. You can do whatever it is you want to do with this and put it in a safe container. Whatever it is you want to do with it. You can rip it up, throw it out, but let it go. Now, what are you going to do with this label? This label right here, you're going to keep this label. You might want to place this label on your refrigerator. You might want to place it on your desk at your job. But you may want to place it in your wallet. It doesn't matter. But I do want you to keep this because this is your reality. And the more you see it, the more it becomes part of your reality. Large sums of money flows to me in multiple ways on a continuous basis. I am rich. I am prosperous. I am wealthy. I just manifested $20,000. Whatever it is you had on this glass, that is what you're going to keep with you. Now, I told you guys at the end, I would give you guys some extra tips to help you along your way. Now, as you are impregnating whatever your desires into this glass or visualizing whatever it is into this glass, you can actually place sacred geometry signs on this glass. Another thing you can do, you can actually place a bay leaf in this glass, the glass of your desire. And you can actually place this in the glass before you pour the water in it. And when you pray on it or when you set the intent for the glass, what you desire, your desired outcome, you can have a bay leaf in the glass. And at the end, drink the water with the bay leaf in it. Don't drink the bay leaf, but drink the water. So, okay, YouTubers, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. I just explained to you how to use the 2-cup manifesting technique, the 2-cup method to manifest anything that you want. Again, you can find all of these things at my store at store.myworldofmetaphysics.com. You can also go to myworldofmetaphysics.com if you want one-on-one coaching. And remember, everything here you can find on that website. You can find the Shri Yantra, the candles, the incense, crystals, whatever it is you need for your manifestation techniques or purposes. Again, this is Yvette, and namaste.